and welcome to this yoga practice for the upper body. My name is Lucy and I'll be your yoga guide today. To start with, we'll take some deep breaths. So you may choose to bring one hand to the belly and one hand to the heart. And close your eyes or take a soft gaze a few feet in front of you. And then start to breathe deeply into the belly. And feeling the hands rise and fall as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Bringing your full attention to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And on the next in-breath, bring your hands to either side of your body, just resting lightly on the mat. And as you breathe out, draw your chin down towards your chest. And as you breathe in, rock the head over towards the right shoulder. So the right ear is over the right shoulder. Breathe out, draw your chin to center. Breathe in, left ear over left shoulder. Breathe out, chin to chest. Breathe in, right ear over right shoulder. Breathe out, chin to chest. Breathe in, left ear to left shoulder. Breathe out, chin to chest. Now you can keep going in that same pattern, or you can begin to make complete circles with your head, whichever feels more comfortable to you today. So just circling the head or just rocking through those half circles. The next time the chin comes to the chest, you might choose to reverse the circles, drawing the head back in the other direction, taking it slowly and taking it mindfully. And the next time your chin comes to the chest, breathe in to draw the head up and draw the crown up towards the sky, elongating the spine. And here we will start to circle the shoulders. So breathing in, draw the shoulders forwards and up, and breathing out, drawing them back and down. Breathing in, forwards and up, breathing out, back and down. Breathing in, forwards and up, breathing out, backwards and down. And pause there with your crown drawing towards the heavens and your tail being drawn towards the centre of the earth with a really lovely tall spine. And just notice how this feels in your body. And then we will start to draw small circles with the nose. So just start to draw circles with the nose. And you can make them bigger if you wish, or you can keep them really small. It's entirely up to you. And then when you're ready, reverse the direction of the circles. If you've made them big, maybe spiralling them back to mini circles until you come back to stillness in the center. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let the head, the right ear, come towards the right shoulder. And here we'll make some more circles with the nose. So start to circle the nose in one direction, and then when you're ready, take the circles in the opposite direction. And pause. And then as we breathe in, draw the right hand up and over the head, coming to lay the palm on the side of the head, fingers just touching your ear. Don't press into the head, just let the natural weight of the arm use that to slightly weigh the head down. And feel the stretch through the left side of the neck. And you might just come to stroke that and massage that. Just energetically encourage that side of the neck. Then stretch the left arm out and draw the fingers towards the sky. And then breathing out, draw the fingers down towards the earth. Breathe in, fingers towards the sky. Breathe out, fingers towards the earth. Breathe in, fingers towards the sky. Breathe out, fingers towards the earth. Breathe in to draw the hand back to neutral, and then breathe in to draw it forwards. Breathe out to draw it backwards. Breathe in to draw it forwards. Breathe out to draw it backwards. Breathe in to draw it forwards. Breathe out to draw it backwards. Then breathe in, bring it back to neutral. And then maybe start to make small circles with the hand. Just feeling how that feels through the left side of the neck. And maybe reversing the circles and noticing your breath as you do this. And pause. Release the head from the clasp of the hand. Bring both hands down to the earth. And breathe in, draw the head up slowly to a neutral, tall position. And just pause here and see how that left side of the neck and head feel. Now breathe in, and breathing out, let the left ear come to the left shoulder. And then start to circle with the nose in this position, circling around and around. And then circle back in the other direction. And then when you're ready, pause. Breathe in to bring the left hand up and over the head, resting the palm on the side of the head, fingers touching the top of the ear. Don't press into the head, just let the weight of the arm draw the head towards the left shoulder. And then from here, raise the right hand up off the earth, and we're going to breathe in to draw the fingers up to the sky, and breathe out to flex them down to the earth. Breathe in to draw the fingers up to the sky. Breathe out to point them at the earth. Breathe in to point the fingers at the sky. Breathe out to point them at the earth. And then breathe in to bring them to neutral. Breathe out to draw forwards with the hand. Breathe in to pull backwards. Breathe in to come forwards. Breathe out to come backwards. Breathe in to come forwards. Breathe out to come backwards. Breathe in to come back to neutral. And then breathing, start to circle the fingers around and around, noticing how that feels through the right side of the neck. And then maybe reversing the direction of those circles. And when you're ready, pause. Let the hand come back down to the earth, And breathe in to release the hand from the side of the head and bring it back to the earth. Breathe out and then breathe in to slowly draw the head back up to a standing position. And then just pause here and notice how you feel. And then breathing in, we will draw our hands together at the heart, but bring the whole of the lower half of your arms together in an extension of the prayer position. Breathe out. And then breathe in, open the arms out wide and push the chest and the belly forwards. Breathe out, draw the arms back together, hollowing the back to the back. Breathe in, opening out, pushing the chest and the belly forwards. Breathe out, bring it all back together, arching the back backwards. Breathe in, opening out wide. Breathe out, coming back together, arching the back backwards. Breathing in, come to a more neutral, upright position. And breathe out. And then breathing in, open the right arm out to the right side. Breathe out to come back to center. Breathe in, open up to the left. Breathe out to come back to center. Breathe in, trace your thumb with your gaze as you open out to the right. Breathe out as you come to center. Breathe in, trace your thumb with your gaze, opening out to the left. Breathe out to center. One more time on each side. Breathe in to open. Breathe out to close. Breathe in to open. Breathe out to close. And then breathe in to bring your arms out to the sides, palms down to the mat. Breathe out, and then breathing in, raise your right arm up and over, coming into a lateral stretch. Breathe in to come through center, both arms overhead. Breathe out to come to the other side. Breathe in to come through center. Breathe out to come to your left. Breathe in through center. Breathe out to the right. Breathe in through center, breathe out to the left. Breathe in through center. And then breathe out, bring your hands back down to the earth and circle your shoulders forwards, up and back. And pause. Lovely straight spine, crown drawn towards the heavens, tailbone drawn towards the center of the earth. And just notice how you feel in the upper body. Now we'll finish today's practice with a heart to earth pose, also known as Anahatasana. So we're going to come off our seat here and we're going to move our cushion away if we feel seated on a cushion. And we're going to come onto our knees. And we're going to come forwards, stretching the hands forwards. We're going to keep the hips above the knees, stretching the hands forwards and bringing the forehead to the mat. Now, if the forehead doesn't reach the mat, you can use a block under the forehead, or you can make a little tower with your fists built on top of each other, or a little pillow with your hands flat on top of each other. But the best thing to do, if you haven't got a block, is use a book and put that under your forehead so you can stretch your arms forward. And this is what really opens out the shoulders and releases tension in the upper body. So breathing deeply here. And with each out breath, letting go more deeply towards the earth. with that out breath, feel the body opening out, the stress releasing from the sinews of the upper body. Two more breaths here. Breathing in, draw one hand under a shoulder and start to push yourself up as you draw the other hand under the shoulder. Then we'll swing our feet to one side and come back. Now you're welcome to come and finish your practice in seated or in Shavasana. I'm going to come to Shavasana so that I can fully open up the upper half of my body. So legs flat in front of you, feet slightly more than hip width apart, arms separated from the body, and just lift up your upper body and shuffle your shoulder blades together so that you get that full opening through the upper chest. And you can take as long as you like here in Shavasana. Just taking a few breaths together. Noticing the energies, the prana that you have stirred up in your practice. Watching them settle and integrate in the stillness of Shavasana. Now, if you wish to stay here, you may pause the video, or if you need to get on with your day, here you can start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe stretch out the body with a big yawn or a groan. And then slowly starting to make your way up to a comfortable seated position. Maybe drawing your cushion back in to sit on. And then bringing your hands together at your heart and just consciously thinking about lowering your shoulders, elongating your crown towards the heavens, and having that beautiful long neck. And just letting the practice settle. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful, and may you be free. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope this has opened up your upper body and you feel so much better now. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share a comment letting me know how this practice impacted your body and mind today. And if you'd like more practices from me, you can explore my channel for yoga practices and yoga nidra, and you can subscribe to have more in the future. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.